Welcome. If you've ever accidentally blocked someone on Instagram and want to unblock them from their profile on your PC, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you the latest way to unblock someone directly from their profile. It's easy, so let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to Instagram.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and sign into your account. Once you're in, you're ready to start. Now look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with different options. Click on the search icon. It's the magnifying glass at the bottom of the menu. Next, type in the exact username of the person you want to unblock. Make sure it's spelled correctly to find the right profile. Instagram will display a list of results, so go ahead and click on the right profile to open their page. Once you're on their profile, you'll see the option to unblock. This button should be near their username, usually in the same spot where you'd see the follow or message buttons. Click Unblock and a pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to unblock them. Don't worry, Instagram won't notify the person that you've unblocked them. After confirming, they'll be able to view your profile and send you messages again, but it's entirely up to you whether or not to reconnect with them. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone from their Instagram profile using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting on Instagram again.